Hey?
What do you mean?
I swear there was some dope in that fridge last weekend.
What fridge?
That fridge, bro.
Show me.
Yeah, bro. What was it? It was 3 black labels, 3 Castle Lights, wasn't it?
What are you talking about, G? Dot.
Yo.
Check there. You're more than welcome
One
to have
black
some.
label.
For your hobbies. Eh?
What's going on here?
I don't know what you're talking about. Explain. Hey, these O's come here and dop all my dop. Finished. Then they get here and they're like, where's my dop? And it's like, bruh, you brought 2 dops. There were 12 in there. Okay, so it's still touching on this section here and on the bumper. So we're gonna roll it now, and we're gonna roll that section. There's a little lip here. That there. We need to roll this flat. It's like along here. So we're gonna roll that flat now. What you gonna order? Some checkers, 60-60.
Yeah, I'm checking. What?
You have a protein egg pot. Yes, bro. Is that the goal though? What is the goal in general? So we just had a phone call with Dan, and he says that this is kind of where you want to be, but he says because I'm running 19s, we maybe need to actually go lower than this. So I think I'm gonna have to roll a little bit on this section here, more of this section, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes from here. But this is looking, I mean, look at that. Let's go, G. Okay, go. Okay, stop. So we're touching here, so we need to roll this section, and we're probably going to touch there as well. So we're going to roll this further back. We're almost there. What do you think of my long hair?
Very nice.
Fuck, I look like Justin Bieber at 50, bro. Yes, dude. It's getting a bit much, man. Every now and again I'm like, fuck, I'm going to cut this shit off, and I'm like, nah. You maybe go one more. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so it seems like we have actually gotten our lows. So we know that when we air the bag out to its max, we can get to where we want to be. And I reckon we happy, hey G? We happy where we are. So now what we need to do is get the air suspension. Then we can put the air suspension in and then adjust it so that we do get these lows, and then start adjusting the other ride height.
Looks pretty fresh, eh?
You! Huh?
Yeah.
You keen for Love More Stance?
Yeah.
End of this video, we're going to do a little cold start in the wagon, and yeah, join us next week for part 2 where we actually install the air suspension.